for one epic video. Yes! What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode. So, today's episode, we are off to a very prestigious event. It's going to be one epic shoot today, guys, so stay tuned. There we go, got my bag, got a few bits to take, so I've got to take that. This is me, all dressed up and ready. So yeah. Parking skills right there.
No need for the B-roll, I was masked up and no hero. Breakfast in the morning, it was cereal and an E-bro. That boy keep going in, I can't let it go and get lethal. Watch how I'm showing it from JFK down to Heathrow again. I gotta keep going and I beat the Rico again. I'm going beast mode again, keep flowing and keep knowing that I've arrived and keep blowing it. Five aside, that ball's going in man each time. I never blow it, I'm in my prime. Whoa. I'm living, I'm telling them great.
Right, what's going on, guys? We have arrived to this lovely event. Well, it's not lovely, it's really cool, to be fair. So yeah, I'm sure you are tired of seeing this face anyway and want to see some cars, so I will give you just that. Good old classic Jag. Always nice to see one of them at events like this. Well, I'm just hoping this mic that I just bought is going to actually work instead of having all the windows. Windows? Wind noise. Definitely hear the coffee. Wow. 488 pista. Wow, one. That looks sick.
You lose it by thinking.
One epic colour. GTR. Got a sick colour M3.
You can't really do much about it. No, because I always went on something else.
Couple of Boxsters. 911 turbo. C63 AMG. Little sister to my car. Spider. Russell Red. That was epic. Noble M12 GTO and an XE Lotus. Oh, lineup of cars. Wow. GTS Carrera 911. New Vantage. Wow. And this monstrosity. Oh, Datsun. Let's just have a look at the views, what we've actually got. Wow. One hell of a stunning view that is. One hell of a weekend. Definitely dig that. It's Liberty Walk. Ferrari.
It is a 458.
Oh, that's pretty epic. Definitely something my type. Would love to drive that daily. So 570S, 570 GT, and another 570S. Well, I need to introduce this car, Aston Martin DB11, ladies and gentlemen. Wonder what's happening. Let's have a look.
the first one going is the McLaren Artura. CS850R now. Shelby basically have a GT500 which they don't export to the UK, so Clive and Luke built the engine. The Hennessy Venom F5 Coupe. Now, this is a company over in America, one of the biggest tuning grounds there is over there. John Hennessy, Colin Ryder's father. The guys have come over here today to show you the Venom 5 they've got here. 6.6 litre V8 twin turbo, 1,817 brake horsepower. This is the fastest car there is on the road today. Now, the guys produced the Venom GT some years ago, which was the roadster which at that time would do 256 miles an hour and held the world record for the fastest roadster. And when you go around onto the South Lawn, you'll see the Venom 5 roadster, which was launched to the global market last week in Monterey at Quail, where on the first day I think the guys sold half of the cars that they're going to be producing. This is the coupe, 30 of May, 11 miles an hour. Now use the champion downwind.
I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy.